Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will learn how to install the current Eclipse version on Windows 10. With that we will also run a sample program. Let's start. Go to the web browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any web browser. On Google type Eclipse and press enter. Here is the official website, click on it. Eclipse.org is visible. Okay. Now click download. We are under the download section now. Go below. And here is the current version. Click on it. This is for 64-bit Windows. I clicked on it. Here is the section. You can see 64-bit and it includes Java. Click download. The download started. Here it is. 131 MB. Let's wait. We have downloaded successfully. Right click and click open. Minimize. Now the installation will start. Different Eclipse versions are visible. The following is for Java. This is for C, C++. The following is for web development, that is PHP. We want for Java, so I'll click here. You can see it automatically took the current Java path. So this is the Java JRE JDK path. You don't need to install Java separately. Okay. The following is the installation folder wherein Eclipse will get installed. This will create a start menu entry as well as the following will create a desktop shortcut. Click install. Agreement. Accept now. Now the installation will start. Let's wait. Guys, we have successfully installed Eclipse. You can double click here to open it, or you can directly click launch now. It will launch for the first time now. Now set the workspace. So this is the place wherein all your project files and folders, plugins will get saved. I'll keep it as it is. I'll also set this as the default so that you don't need to set it again and again. I'll also copy this. We will check our project later. Click launch. Here it is. It opened for the first time. Close this. And I can create a new project now. Go to file, new, Java project. Now let's say my project name is Amit application. Herein you can see the path. I told you all your projects will get saved under your workspace. So here it is. It automatically took the Java version. Okay. You can uncheck this because we are creating a simple program. We will see the project location later. Click next. Finish. Here is our project. Right click. Click new. Class. Now add the package name. Let's say I'll add the package name com.studiopedia. The name of the file, let's say now I'll add demo. Okay. Now click finish. Now you can see our first program. I told you I added the com.studiopedia package. Our file is inside the same package. And here is the package com.studiopedia. You can see the file name is the same as the class name. Okay. Let us print something quickly. So we will use println method to print something. I'll print my name. Okay. Semicolon. File. Save. Right click and you can run from here directly. Run as. Now you can see Here it is. We printed whatever was inside println method. So here is the project location I told you. Let's see. Okay, so go to C drive. So it was under users, Dell, the username, and here it is, Eclipse Workspace. So this was our project Amit application. You can see, okay, within that we added a package, com.studiopedia, and within that the file. So here it is, source, com, studiopedia, and here is our Java file. You can open it. Okay, the same file you can see. Okay, and here it is. So in this way guys, we saw how to download and install the current Eclipse version. We also ran a Java project. For a free Eclipse and Java tutorial, refer the link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.